Hi friends, welcome back. If we've never met, hi, I'm Travis Tripucka and I am a real estate agent in New Jersey. This is my new listing, 21 Sunset Trail in Rockaway. Located in a lake community and situated on 1/4 acre, this updated home features 3 bedrooms, 1 full and 1 half bath, and is just waiting for its new owners to come home. Come take a tour with me, let's go. So much for taking a tour with me. This home will be priced at $399,000, and with the way demand is, will not last long. Call or text me to schedule your private showing. My number will be on the screen or in the caption below. If you're in the market to buy or sell real estate, I would love the opportunity to talk with you today. I'm Travis Tripucka, your friend and realtor. See you next time.